Yeah, it's fine.
But other than that, how's everything going?
Good, man. I'm fine. I was a little nervous. Honestly, I haven't been kayaking since like October.
The water's gonna be moving a little.
Yeah, it's going pretty good. A little faster than I expected.
It was like right at 6, so I mean that's a good fishing level. Welcome to Perfect Level. Out here on the creek again. It's still winter technically. I am joined by the Corn Dog Cowboy. He has returned. With any luck, monsters all day. Let's go. Sure is a pretty day. Weird, it was snowing like 3 weeks ago. Or like 2 weeks ago. It was like yesterday, it was snowing. Man, what's going on with the rock bass? They're fired up. Bass. And I was just saying I didn't even catch a rock bass yesterday. All right. Oh, dude, Jordan is doing a giveaway. I don't know if you want. Yay! I caught a little bass. On the underspin. Look at that guy. Well, that one's better. Mr. Bass Face. Whoa, easy, fella, easy. Well, that's my biggest fish for today on the Bandito bug, Mr. Bass Face. Have a good day, sir. Oop. Well, I just lost another one. That could have been a rock bass. Ah, he bit both of the legs off. It was definitely a rock bass. Left me with nubs. He nubbed me off. Well, let's see what I got in the bag. Splashes. Man, that's a good one. Got ups. That fish got ups. That's on the underspin. All these fish are fighting for size. And I wonder where all the big ones are at. He fought well. But it's always good to catch a fish. Oh, seriously, dude. Is that a cub? If that was a beaver, it ain't gonna swim like that. There's some kind of animal crossing the creek down there. What is that? I think it's a baby bear. If it is, you better watch out. That means the mama is somewhere. We're way too far away. Oh, it's way up on the ridge now. It's moving fast. That was probably a raccoon, I guess. I don't know what swims like that. Kind of like with their head above water like that. Beavers don't do that. Muskrats don't do that. Minks don't do that. That might have been a raccoon, maybe. But it was a giant. That was the biggest raccoon ever. Mr. Rock Bass. He shows back up. He's like, hello. Oh no, he fell in my boat. He's under my seat. How is that even possible? Stop, bro. Don't, he spined the F out of me. Stop. He is going crazy, bro. Stop. I don't know what to do. I can't even get my hand under there, much less get the fish out. Like, I've never had this happen before. I've never had a fish fall in there. I don't want him to die. How am I going to do this? I can't even. How am I going to do this? Am I going to have to get out? I've never had a fish fall in there before. I guess I could just leave him in there forever. I got him. Yes. He lives. Mr. Rock Bass. Now it's all gross under my seat. It is a squirt gun. Interesting. It is a pistol. Pistola. Found a gun. Here, I guess I'll throw that thing away. Actually, does it work? It does work. It works great. Look at that thing. Awesome. I found a pistol. That's so funny. A rat-a-tat-tat. Give me those shoes. That fish is under my boat. That doesn't mean he'll bite again. He's definitely under my boat. Fish on. It's big. It's a catfish. Or it just no, it's a smallie. It's just really dark colored. I don't know why my brain said catfish for a second. I was like, catfish. Nice. That was on the underspin. Nice, that's a good one. That's my best fish for today. That's about 14. Not too bad, not too bad. Let's go for the underspin. I thought that turtle was gonna jump in my boat. All right, we were just coming down and came across another fisherman, so I'm gonna call it quits right there and wish this guy good luck. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.